The steps of performing a leak test on an anesthetic machine. We've already turned on our oxygen source and placed a reservoir bag on the machine and hooked up our tubing. You should do this check anytime before you do an anesthetic procedure involving anesthesia. Anytime any pieces of equipment are replaced, tubing, filling up the isoflurane with more fluid. Anytime anything is done, you should check it. All these are points of failure for the machine. Once we start, I'm going to occlude the tubing with my thumb. We are going to close the pop-off valve. That's shut off. And we're going to raise the oxygen in the flow meter to 2 liters per minute. This model is read with by reading the middle of the ball bearing on the indicator line. We are starting to see our oxygen bag, our reservoir bag, inflate a bit. Going to zoom in on the manometer. As soon as we start to see the manometer rise, when the needle reaches 20 centimeters of water in pressure, I will reduce the flow from 2 liters per minute to 200 liters per minute, 200 milliliters per minute. Okay. And there, and now 200 milliliters per minute. Time this with a watch. It should stay at 20 centimeters of water for 20 seconds, probably occluded. It's not deflating. I'm going to do this for 20 seconds. Okay, still rising a little bit. There's still a little airflow going into there. It's been 20 seconds, it hasn't deflated. I'm going to release a pop-off valve, and the manometer drops down, and the reservoir bag completely deflates. Once this is done, I can release my thumb off the tubing. And at this point, I would check the scavenging system to make sure that all the connections are in place. Everything is hooked up. Nothing was blown off by the pressure. And we can now make sure the pop-off valve is completely open.